Factors associated with designing housing for the Generation Y is lighting, really getting an idea of where the sun is coming from. Another is really seeing the different routes and understanding the routes associated with the site, and then really looking at the site in its full context. Another is really playing with different massing, trying to see how different masses relate to each other on the site, trying to see what will enhance the site, playing with different levels to see if one block won't block another one from sunlight. I chose to use precedents of the Statinium building in Rotterdam in relation to my site, as I wanted to use the design of the linear block which fits in relation to the site, which I also consider to be linear. The form of the building really forces rooms and spaces to be pushed to the sides of the building for light, but then the middle allows for a courtyard scheme to take place, as well as allow for greater circulation and ventilation for the staircases, which are the two blocks in the middle ends of the building. To the left in the red square box is the initial floor plans of the studio, which I intended to use as a template for the 2, 3, and 4 bedroom flats through manipulation of spaces and then using that center for circulation of the staircases. Layouts for these flats can be seen on the right side of the page, the 4 blocks being 4 studios, the 2 blocks next to it being the 2 bedroom flats, below that being the 4 bedroom flats, and next to it being the 3 bedroom flats. This can be considered the most recent layout of the concept for the design of the Generation Y housing. The linear block, which has the rooms and spaces to the side so that light is received, 2 staircases to the ends of both sides of the building, and a space in the middle for ventilation and circulation purposes. What this building does is separate the flats that will have shared persons from the ones that are more personal, the studio flats, but also offer a space for a chance of social encounter through the courtyard or atrium space, which is set in the middle of the building.